power. Oh shit. Oh, that's a tree. That's a bigger tree. God damn it. Oh god, we gotta cut.
Those of you who have not seen this, it's a 383 stroker with the Holley EFI, vintage air. Willwood brakes all the way around. Ferrata wheels. 5-speed Tremec transmission, Ford 9-inch in the rear, 4-link coilovers. Really nice setup. Did some upgrades on it. Now we're gonna finish a couple things up. We still gotta do exhaust alignment, so on and so forth. We got a fun day planned. It's actually not 8,000 degrees today, so that's real cool. Nick picked up some steel for his frame, and might have had a little present follow us home. Oh, look at that. LS engine. 6-liter. So that's going to go in Nick's truck. Right there. We're just going to use the front clip off this S10. Hopefully we'll get the frame stubbed out one day, get it knocked out and rolling again. So Nick in progress. Look at that. Fancy plans. Making fancy cuts. Alright. A little bit of wiring fun on the Camaro. Doing some Dakota digital door lock actuators. Yeah, 2 actuators. And there's the control box right there. Pretty simple. And we're going to run it a little bit different so we can only use 2 buttons for lock and unlock. And mount the actuator with those 2 screws. It goes right in there. And it'll connect the door lock in there via a rod. And hopefully when we're done, we'll be able to use a simple little key fob here for lock and unlock on both doors, and it leaves 2 more channels open. So in the future, if the owner would like to add door poppers or something to that effect, we can do it. It's also a really nice kit. It comes with a override switch, momentary switch you can put in, hide it somewhere so in case your key fob's not working or goes out, you're good to go.